If you've ever wondered how to integrate Folk CRM with Zoom, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect these two powerful tools to streamline your business processes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to leverage the integration for maximum efficiency. Stick around because I'll also be sharing an exclusive offer on Folk CRM that you won't want to miss. Let's start by looking at Folk CRM. This customer relationship management software is designed to help businesses organize and track interactions with their clients in a highly efficient way. It focuses on simplicity and ease of use, making it a perfect solution for anyone looking to improve their client relationships and workflow. Now, integrating Folk CRM with Zoom can take your business communication to the next level. With this integration, you can automatically sync your Zoom meetings with Folk CRM's contact records, saving you the time and hassle of manually updating everything. To begin, head over to your Folk CRM account and navigate to the Integrations section. There, you'll see the Zoom option listed among other integrations. Click on the Zoom integration option and you'll be prompted to connect your Zoom account. Once you've connected your Zoom account, you can set up automatic syncing of meeting details to your Folk CRM records. This means that whenever you schedule a Zoom meeting, the details will automatically be added to the relevant contact in Folk CRM. It's seamless and it helps keep your workflow organized without missing any important meeting notes or follow-ups. Additionally, once your Zoom meeting is done, Folk CRM allows you to capture meeting notes and action items directly into your contact records, ensuring that all follow-ups are tracked. This integration ensures that no crucial detail is lost in the shuffle, and it helps you maintain a complete history of every interaction with your contacts. One of the best things about integrating Folk CRM with Zoom is how it automates much of the tedious manual work involved in tracking your interactions. No need to manually copy and paste meeting information or notes. Folk CRM does it for you, leaving you with more time to focus on building and maintaining relationships. And here's a little bonus. If you're new to Folk CRM, you can start using it for free. I've linked an exclusive free trial below so you can explore all the features without any commitment. This is a great opportunity to dive into how the Folk CRM and Zoom integration works for yourself. And if you decide to continue using it, you'll be fully equipped to make the most out of both platforms. To wrap things up, integrating Folk CRM with Zoom helps streamline your communication, improve your client management, and boost productivity. By automating meeting tracking and follow-ups, you save time and ensure that your client interactions are well organized. Remember, you can try Folk CRM with Zoom integration for free through the link below and get access to extended benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your workflow and take your client management to the next level.